This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the clock from the 24-hour format to the 12-hour format in Ubuntu. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your time from 24 hours down to 12 hours, if you look up top here, you could see my time says 2046. That's actually 846. I would rather it say 846. The way to do that, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower left-hand corner of my desktop here, down to the Show Apps button. I'm going to click on Show Apps. Then I'm going to look for settings in these icons here. If you don't see settings in your icons, you could go up to the search bar up here and you can type in settings and find it that way. Mine happens to be right here. I'm going to click on settings. Now when settings opens, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to scroll all the way to the very bottom to where it says System. Click on System. Then in the center pane, right in here, Date and Time, you want to click on Date and Time. And then right down here, Time Format, gives you the option 24 hours or AM and PM. AM and PM would be the 12-hour format. I'm going to click on AM PM. Now if you look at my clock up top here, 8:47 PM. That is how to change your time format in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.